Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. So in the first step, open Device Manager. Now on this window, simply expand Display Adapter and right click on it and select Update the drivers. Now we need to update the display drivers. Once done, close this window and move to the next step. Go to search bar and type here Task Manager and then click here to open it. Now click on Run New Task and then select Browse button. Once you are here, go to this PC and open C drive, then go to Windows folder, and here we need to search for System32 folder. So simply search it and double click on it to open it, and from here find cmd.exe file, select it and click on open. So this is our path. Check this box and click on OK. So once you are here, it will open command prompt window. Then type this command very carefully: sfc space slash scan file equal to c colon slash windows slash system32 slash iframe.dll. Then execute this second command: sfc space slash verify file equal to c colon. Then execute this command very carefully. After that, type exit to close the command prompt window. Then go to search bar and type here cmd. So once you are here, it will open command prompt window. Now type these commands very carefully. Simply follow my screen and hit enter to execute them. And we need to wait for some time to complete all the process. Type the second command and hit enter. Once done, kindly type exit to close the command prompt window, and that's it guys. Your problem is solved. You are good to go.